Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Toyota Camry brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a floor jack, lug wrench, and a new set of brake pads. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface, and use jack stands for safety. Once secured, you can begin by loosening the lug nuts, raising the car, and removing the wheel to access the brake assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Next, you'll need to unbolt the two caliper guide pins, usually 14mm or 17mm bolts. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor and use a bungee cord or wire to hang it from the suspension. This prevents damage to the brake hose. Now, you can easily remove the old brake pads. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any deep grooves or uneven wear, which might indicate a need for replacement or resurfacing. Before installing the new pads, you must compress the caliper piston. You can use a C-clamp or a specialized brake caliper tool for this step, pushing the piston back into its housing. Then, insert the new brake pads, ensuring they fit correctly into the caliper bracket. Reinstall the caliper over the rotor, making sure the guide pins align. Tighten the guide pins securely, typically to about 25 foot-pounds, and double-check all connections. Finally, reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications, usually around 76 foot-pounds. Lower your vehicle completely. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Check your brake fluid reservoir to ensure the level is correct. Take a slow test drive to confirm proper braking function. For other great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.